This 2017 GMC Terrain Denali comes equipped with all-wheel drive, a backup camera, lane departure warning, heated front seats and more. Come see us at Laird Wheaton GM in Nanaimo for all your vehicle needs. This GMC Terrain boasts a gas V6 3.6L/217 engine powering this automatic transmission. Engine, 3.6L V6 SIDI, spark ignition direct ejection, with VVT, variable valve timing, 301 horsepower, 224.4 kilowatts at 6,500 RPMs, 272 pounds FT, 367.2 Newtons-M, at 4,800 RPMs, remote keyless entry, white FROST TRICOAT. This GMC Terrain features the following options: wheels, 4 to 19 x 7.0, 48.3 cm x 17.8 cm, Denali specific, transmission, 6-speed automatic, STD, jet black, perforated leather appointed with Denali logo, engine block heater. Denali preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, audio system, color touch navigation with IntelliLink, FM system stereo with MP3 playback, 7 diagonal touchscreen display, GPS navigation system, USB port, radio data system, RDS, auxiliary input jack and outside temperature indicator, STD, includes IntelliLink. Wipers, front intermittent with washers, wiper, rear intermittent with washer, windows, power with driver and front passenger express down, wheels, 4 to 18 x 7.0, 45.7 cm x 17.8 cm, Denali specific, included with, Lee, 2.4 LVOHC 4-cylinder SIDI engine only. Visit us today. Come in for a quick visit at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, BC 59T3L3 to claim your GMC Terrain.